Are you interested in increasing your wholesale operations for your online business? Improve SEO and customer experience for all your customer segments with front and back-end functionalities using BigCommerce. This tool makes wholesale channel management without hassle. Using a single front and back-end experience, you can consolidate your retail and wholesale channels onto a single site and back-end. You can use a landing page to source new wholesale clients and customize your site for their product and price needs when they log in. Besides, assign wholesale customers to unique customer groups to automatically customize their site experience, including pricing, products, reordering, and approval processes. You can use built-in price list features for client customization, editing prices, and discounts down to the unique SKU for every individual, customer group, or single wholesale account. BigCommerce supports wholesale customers with specific payment options and site experiences to boost your business. This platform provides faceted search built off of Elasticsearch, including custom field support for refined searching. If you are interested in acquiring BigCommerce services, you can get a special deal by clicking on the link in the description below. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more exciting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.